If the population continues to increase at its current rate, we will not be able to maintain or raise the global standard of living without risking the destruction of the environment. It took hundreds of thousands of years for the world population to hit 1 billion. In comparison, it took only 123 more years to reach 2 billion, and merely 33 years to hit 3 billion. Currently, the world population increases by 1 billion people every 13 years. Every second, an average of 4.2 people are born and 1.8 people die. That's a net gain of 2.4 people per second. Today, the population totals almost 7 billion. By 2025, it is estimated to reach 8 billion. By 2050, there will be 2.5 billion more people on Earth than there are today. That's an increase equal to the entire world population in 1950. The demand for fresh water increases as the population's size increases, but there's only so much fresh water on Earth. By 2025, it's estimated that more than 1 in 3 people will be affected by water shortages. In more than 1 out of every 2 developing countries, the population has been growing faster than the food supplies. To feed the projected population in 2025, we will have to double food production over current levels. Even if we are able to double our food production, it won't come without a cost. Increasing food production creates a chain reaction of ecological disruption. The problems with climate change will only grow worse as the population increases. The higher the population, the greater the demand for oil, gas, coal, and other fuels that create greenhouse gases. Though the population in developed countries represents a small amount of the world population, they consume fossil fuels much faster than developing countries. In the United States, each person contributes about 1,644 tons of carbon dioxide. That's 5 times higher than a person in China, and 91 times more than a person in Bangladesh. Though levels of consumption differ greatly around the world based on economic status, the higher our population, the higher our total levels of consumption. What can we do? Lower levels of unnecessary consumption in developed countries, and find sustainable solutions to meet increasing demands on food, water, fuel, and other basic resources. Provide universal access to family planning services, contraceptives, and information. Empower women. Give women access to healthcare, education, and birth control. Give women the right to control the size of their families. Democracy cannot survive overpopulation. Human dignity cannot survive it. Convenience and decency cannot survive it. As you put more and more people into the world, the value of life not only declines, it disappears.